Today I'm helping to make life easier and more enjoyable for me and my mom by creating a cozy outdoor corner. And I'll show you how you can style your own outdoor space using what you might already have. After spending some time recently in the garden with my mother, I wanted to make our space a little nicer where we could sit, relax, and really enjoy it. So this is what our space looks like right now, and it's a lot nicer than it was since I put the flowers around the table, but it's a little bit cold. I have some old chairs and a little folding table. It's a place to sit, but it's a little bit actually uncomfortable for my mother. She's complained a couple of times about the seat, sitting in the seat. It's a little hard for her. So I want to make this a nicer, more beautiful, comfortable spot for us to sit and watch the birds and the trees. And this doesn't have to be a big transformation. Just a few small touches, I think, can completely change how this space feels. So as always, I'm going to start with what I have. I'm going to start looking around the house to see what I could use to sort of transform this space. And while we're outside, let's start with this chair, trying to make it more comfortable for my mother. I do believe, yes, I have some old cushions under my deck. I have pots that I may be able to use. The cushions are dirty, but I think I could clean those up. So let's start with that. Let's start collecting some things that I could use that's out here. Now, on top of my deck, I see this lantern that we're not really using. It's very old and kind of rusty, but I think it'll add a nice rustic look to the table. I think I'm going to use this too. Now, in my art closet, I remember I had another kind of rustic piece. This is a wall hanging. I have a bunch of frames in here, but I think this might work. I may be able to hang it on the wall behind the table on the house. And in my son's room, I have, yes, pillows. I always collect pillows. I change out pillows every season. I keep some of them that I like, but I have a bag of pillows in here. So let's see if there's anything we could use for that chair to make the chairs more comfortable. And this is a really nice outdoor pillow. The cover comes off so I could wash it. I think I may have two of these. I like this blue and beige. So I think I might make that my theme color. I'm going to look for things to match that blue and beige. Also in my studio, I happen to have lots of vases and bowls and these big boxes that I collected from projects I've been working on. So I do want to have flowers on a table, and instead of pots, I think I may use vases to put my flowers in, make it pretty. I am looking for blue, and this is a nice blue. Planting some flowers in here I think would be really nice, and I think this blue will go great with those pillows. So outside I want to have something comfortable, rustic and elegant and soft, a soft texture. So I have a stash of material, and look at this blue. This is perfect. It will go really great with the vase. And we'll add a really brilliant pop of color. I think I might drape this on the table. So let's see what other material I have in here. Okay, so I went around inside and outside of the house to see what I could find. And look at this beautiful peacock teacup. I think I'm going to use that to plant flowers in. And this silver tea kettle. I usually collect tarnished pieces. I was going to clean this up, shine it up. But I'm going to leave it tarnished and plant flowers in it as a decoration outside. And I think that'll go great with this lantern. I got my 2 beautiful pillows. I found another blue one and some nice material that'll go with it. The beautiful blues and blue gray and the beige. So, and this wall piece here. Oh, and look at my seat cushions. They're cleaned up nicely, right? I prefer getting white outdoor cushions because I can just put these in a wash with some bleach. I wash them twice and they come out as good as new. So I'm going to go start decorating. I'm going to start with this. But I like these colors. I like the feel. I love the sort of tea party theme. And planting little flowers in it, I think will be really cool and different. So let's go out and start decorating our little seating area. But first I need to go out and get some flowers for my pots. And I'm looking for blues, but I don't see many blues here. The only blue they did have was this Morning Glory. I also got this white bacopa and I got some marigolds. So I'm planting a Morning Glory in a teacup, the bacopa in the teapot, and inside the large vase I planted both the bacopa and the Morning Glory, but I wanted to transfer some of those large marigolds into this display. Also, I love the way they looked on the table. So this is what my little tea party display looks like. I did add some little marigolds in the teacup and the pot. And I love this. I think it's going to be a nice little kind of whimsical, romantic, elegant set for this little outdoor table. I only wish the blue in the vase would show up after putting the dirt in. You can't see the blue very well, but it's still nice. Now I'm going to start decorating, putting out the other pieces. Now before I bring out the old lantern, I decided to brush on some metallic blue to particularly to hide the rust spots at the top and on the sides, but I think I like to give it a nice little blue wash and to help complement the theme colors. And yes, I think it looks really nice with that little blue wash. It's still rustic, and now it complements everything, the flowers and the material, the beautiful little teacup. It all ties in together. And since I still have my paint out, I'd like for this wall piece to match the theme colors. So I'm going to paint a few of these stones a metallic blue. Now this looks much better. And just by relocating a few things I found around the house, I made a brighter, more comfortable, really nice and quick transformation for our outdoor space. Now I think it's time to bring my mom out and see how she likes her new seating area. Hey Mom, I have a big surprise for you outside.
Huh?
I have a big surprise for you outside.
You do?
Yep.
Nice out here.
Yeah. to show you something even nicer.
Beautiful house.
We have lots of flowers now outside the door. I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got your eyes closed, turn around. Now open your eyes. You like it? Now you got a nice, beautiful, comfortable place to sit and look at the flowers and see the trees and the birds. Come sit down. Sit down. Comfortable? Good. You like the material? It's a nice blue, huh? I found this in my drawer, in my closet. All of this stuff I had inside, and I just used it to decorate out here. Even these pillows. Found these nice pillows, and the cushions were under the deck. It's a beautiful day. So pretty today. So I think my mom is really enjoying the new outdoor space. She loves all the colors and just being surrounded by flowers and nature. Not only do we have a nice view of the flowers and birds and trees, but we also have a nice comfortable seating spot. So in that old rustic lantern, I put a battery operated wax candle that's timed to come on every night, and the candle light flickers. So this will also make a nice romantic getaway for me and my husband. So it just goes to show you, you don't have to spend a lot of money or any money to create a nice little space transformation, indoor or outdoor, for your home. Oh, and this just came in, so I want to show you this real quick. I ordered a rug, which has the colors that I wanted, but I'm not sure if I like it because it has this sea theme going. It doesn't really go with my tea party setup. So plus it's not very long. I wanted to cover the chairs. I need a longer rug. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this or not. I definitely may get new chairs. I found some rocking chairs that I can use these cushions and pillows on. But in this video, I really wanted to just show you what you can do with what you have already. And I think that turned out really nice. So we'll keep this what we have for a little bit until I get my new rocking chairs. And I think we're gonna have fun. It's starting to rain, so we'll see how this works in the weather. This material was shower curtain material, so I think it'll be fine. So you all have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video. Guess what, everyone? I have a new home decor and home furnishing store. Go to shop.yourhouseahome.com and you'll find beautiful, unique pieces to make your house a beautiful home. And for all my viewers, use the discount code TSD20 to get 20% off at checkout. Want more detailed instructions on some of these projects? On my Etsy store, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full color step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page where you can pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts, Volume 1, with all your favorite projects together in one big, beautiful, colored, step-by-step instruction book. You can also get separate e-project booklets and full-color printed project booklets, all on my Amazon page. You'll also see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies seen on this show and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast, and easy shopping delivery convenience of Amazon. On social media, follow me at Your Hustle Home and Your Hustle Home TV. Like, share, subscribe, and your support is so appreciated.